G'day bakers, today we're making an absolute showstopper, a Fudgy coffee macadamia caramel slice. This is a next level recipe. Now we're skipping the pre-made caramel shortcut, instead we're making our own rich deep coffee caramel. It all starts with this can of coffee and milk, and the secret is this old school foolproof method. It's a simple process that gives you incredible flavour. Let's get into it. Now, the heart of our recipe is our homemade caramel. I prepped this earlier and I'm using this Nestle coffee and milk can. To make the caramel, you just need to simmer the unopened can in a big pot of water for 3 hours. It's that simple. It is critical that it stays fully submerged and you must let it cool completely before opening. I have a full how-to video on my website for this, so check that out for all the safety tips. The flavour is so much better than store-bought, but of course, if you're in a hurry, you can use a can of top and fill. While our caramel is cooling, let's make the base. In a bowl, we'll combine our plain flour, light brown sugar, and desiccated coconut. Then pour in your melted butter. Mix that until it looks like damp sand. Tip it into your lined 20 by 20 centimeter tin and press it down firmly into an even layer. This is going into a 150 degrees Celsius oven for 15 to 20 minutes, just until it's lightly golden. While the base is baking, we'll make the filling. In a bowl, add your now completely cooled homemade coffee caramel. To this, we'll add 2 large egg yolks, vanilla extract. If you couldn't find the coffee can and used plain condensed milk, this is where you'd add a teaspoon or 2 of instant coffee powder dissolved in the vanilla. The egg yolks are our secret here. They're going to set the caramel in the oven, making it beautifully rich and fudgy. To this, we'll add some more melted butter and a good pinch of sea salt. Whisk that all together until it's completely smooth. Now, fold in your roughly chopped macadamia nuts. Pro tip, toast these nuts first for even more flavour. And I like to use macadamia pieces to fill out some of the gaps. Back into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's done when the edges are set, but the center has just a slight wobble. It'll firm up as it cools. Now this is the hardest part. You must let this cool completely. First on a wire rack, and then in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. It needs to be totally firm to get those clean, perfect slices. Once it's chilled, lift it out, slice it up, and just look at that. A crumbly biscuit base, that thick, fudgy coffee-infused caramel, it's just so good. Thanks for watching.